Dr. Arabinda Rajkhowa is an associate professor in the Department of Assamese at North Lakhimpur College, where he has been teaching since 2005. Over the years, he has made a lasting impact, not only within the college, but also across Assam, through his active involvement in both academic and co-curricular initiatives. His efforts towards building a student-centered education system have been consistent and meaningful, overcoming all kinds of institutional and logistical challenges. Through his dynamic approach, he has continuously worked to prepare students for successful careers, while also nurturing in them a sense of social responsibility. For the past 20 years, Dr. Rajkhowa has been at the forefront of a reading movement in Assam, with North Lakhimpur College as the heart of his efforts. He encourages students to read quality literature and ensures access to books by setting up discounted bookstores within the college. He frequently lends books from his personal library, organizes monthly book symposiums and reading competitions, and publishes collections of student-written essays on books. He also holds an annual book fair on campus. Thanks to his leadership, North Lakhimpur College has become widely known for its academically inclined students, most of whom maintain their own personal libraries. Under his guidance, libraries have also been established in several schools throughout the region. The academic performance of his students speaks for itself. Many have gone on to secure government and private sector jobs across various fields. Importantly, all students under his mentorship are digitally literate. The Department of Assamese includes a computer application course, ensuring students are equipped with essential digital skills. Beyond traditional academics, Dr. Rajkhowa has expanded the curriculum to include practical subjects such as fish farming, paddy cultivation, and printing. He regularly organizes visits to institutions across Assam to provide students with exposure and hands-on experience. And once a year, he leads educational trips to different parts of India. Environmental awareness is another area where Dr. Rajkhowa and his department have made meaningful contributions. The Assamese curriculum now includes a dedicated paper on nature writing, a subject he has also written a book about. Under his leadership, the department has carried out awareness programs in multiple villages to promote environmental conservation. Notably, he has even cultivated a forest on the college campus, for which he has received public recognition. His efforts to inspire scientific thinking and critical inquiry among students reflect his broader vision of shaping well-rounded, future-ready individuals. One of Dr. Rajkhowa's key achievements has been his ability to give Assamese language and literature a multidimensional identity. He is also deeply involved in the academic and administrative affairs of the college. A recognized research guide and invited speaker, he is well established in the scholarly community. He has authored 8 books, edited 30 more, and successfully completed 3 UGC-sponsored research projects. He has also coordinated 8 national and international seminars, 7 workshops, and numerous certificate and training courses. Through all of this, Dr. Rajkhowa remains committed to his core mission: to build a strong and healthy intellectual atmosphere rooted in Indian values, and to prepare the next generation with the knowledge, skills, and ethics they need to thrive.